Hello, I am Rajni Agarwal and I am director of my company, Banyan Fig Limited. My background is IoT and telecommunications as an ex-Sony, ex-Fujitsu person. So I was involved with Edge AI Foundation back when it was TinyML Foundation as well. And what I saw was it was a very good amalgamation of both academia and industry coming together. So while you have both industry having look into which way the research is going, the research is also guided by what the industry needs. And I feel that Edge AI Foundation can be a good playground for people from both industry and academia to get together, learn from each other, guide each other as well. There were poster presentations, and I've seen some of that realized into chips and products this time round. So that was quite a nice progression to see as an engineer. VLM was a big topic during the sessions, and that wasn't so much a talking point in the last couple of years. Large language models have been around for a while, given that we are in Edge AI Foundation. Sensors at the edge and sensors in the real world, that kind of data needs to be brought into the AI space. And so I think that's kind of a logical progression. I see quite a lot of regulation is now catching up with the technological developments, like talks from Dr. Simon Burton was very interesting. I think that will be very interesting for me to see how they translate into actual products that are deployed in the field. Edge AI has become more accessible to smaller players. A small manufacturing facility is likely to have easier access through cheaper devices. There are way more platforms and tools available than I'd seen in the last 2-3 years. So that's very exciting, because what we need is this democratization of technology and access to this technology, which I think is something to look out for.